We will now analyze some of the questions. There is a questionnaire for you on George Herbert's poem, The Pulley. What is the theme of the poem Pulley by George Herbert? God gave man all the worldly riches. And what were those riches? Strength, wisdom, beauty, honor, and pleasure. But he did not give peace and satisfaction. God says that if he had given man rest and contentment, he would have worshipped only the gifts and not him. Man would forget to worship God. God would not be worshipped. So this is actually the theme of the poem, and you should remember this. This is very important. These lines can be used anywhere. They can be used in explanation. They can be used in 20 marks question. If the theme is asked, you can use them. And I have written in a very simple style so that all the children, all the students can remember this. Second question, which is important. Comment on the title of the poem, The Pulley. A pulley is a mechanical device for lifting weights with a downward application of force. On one hand, God gives all the gifts of strength, beauty, wisdom, riches, honor, and pleasure, but on the other, he takes away rest and contentment. So a pulley-like action is created. God has to make a balance as is made in a pulley. If he gives one thing, he takes back another thing. What he has given is all the riches of the world, all the joys, all the gifts, and what he has taken is rest and contentment. Next question. What does God hope in the final stanza of the poem, The Pulley? God hopes that man will remember God because he has taken the one gift, that is, he has not given him peace and contentment. So God hopes that man will always worship him and ask him for peace and contentment. What is the poet's message in the pulley? How does Herbert use pulley as a metaphor? This is very important. What is a metaphor? Metaphor is when you compare something. And there is a simile is when there is use of as or like. But there is no use of as or like, and it is like a metaphor in the sense that it is used as a pulley. The gifts are used as a pulley. In one hand, God gives him all the gifts of strength, beauty, wisdom, riches, honor, and pleasure. And in one side, he takes the rest, peace, and contentment. So this becomes a metaphor. Critically examine the poem, The Pulley. This could be of 20 marks. God believes that if there is weariness in one's everyday life, then that feeling of exhaustion will be humankind. These different periods of activity, exhaustion, rest, and rejuvenation are just as integral to human existence as are strength and wisdom. What gifts did God give to man, and what did he not give to man? God blessed man with strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, and pleasure. God also decided that everything should not be given, so he kept back rest and contentment with him. Thank you.